Go, go. Look at CJ. Little mini me. Watch him get up. Look at him trying to hold the goal down. Here you go. Hold it for me. Look at him trying to break the whole rim. Let me see the basketball, CJ. I'm going to show these people one dunk. Yeah, that's it, CJ. Let me see the ball. Here, hold it.
Still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording. I'm going to show these people one dunk. That's it. Oh, they want another one? They want another one? You see how we make the whole goal move? Watch this. I'll put the arm in there.